Hey guys, this is Sahan from Enforced Flow. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to round robin leads that are coming from a simple contact form like this among three different agents based on language and department. From the message field, we will detect the language as well as the department and then route the lead information accordingly. We have set up a detailed guide for you to follow along with this video, and we'll share the link within the description. First step is to create an advanced round robin group in Enforced Flow with the agents. You can sign up for a free account if you don't have one already. I have a account that I use for testing. So navigate to advanced round robin. I'm going to create a new group. Gonna call it Google Form AI Select Demo. And because I'm gonna email my agents at the end, I want to keep agents email as a what we call an agent information field. So I'm gonna add a field to hold agent's email called email, and for fields I'm gonna create select AI select, and the first one is language. Right. So I'm going to copy the instructions from the guide. Essentially, the instructions are detect the language from the given content, and sorry, that's the wrong one. If I scroll up, okay, it's right here. So there, yeah, detect the language from the options. We are going to have the options in a second here, and if there's no match, we will default to English. So we have English, Spanish, and French. So I just need to add these. So English, same instruction, Spanish, and French. Save. It's done. And the next one is for department. For department, again, AI select. So we have a couple of options for department, and if it's impossible to find an option, we will default to support. So we have sales. I'm gonna add that here. It's about pricing, purchasing, demos. So obviously you can tweak these instructions to match your context. And this one is support. Finally, we have billing. Looks good. So we have one for department, we have one for language. Of course, we can layer add more layers to the criteria, like day and time. Day and time allows you to pick, set the agent's working hours and days. Wait to prioritize based on, say, if you want to have a senior member in the team who should get more tasks or tickets than usual compared to other agents, you can use you can use a wait field. So obviously you can layer this with more criteria. For example, if you use day and time, you can set agents working days and times. You can have agents working on weekdays and some agents working during weekends. Yeah, so to keep things simple, we'll stick to department and language. Now we just need to add the agents. I am going to add 3 agents here. So John at Enforced Flow, and say John can do sales and support, and he can do English and French. It's done. And I'm gonna add, say, Sarah. Say Sarah can do billing and support, and she can do only English. Say we add Jane. and Jane can only do billing, and she can only do French. Right, so we have 3 different agents here. We can use the testing tab to simulate various condition and test. Like for example, say I want to cancel my subscription, and I'm going to paste the same message here. So it picked Sarah, and because she can handle English and she can handle billing and support. And if I do this again, it keeps giving Sarah, right? So because Sarah is the only one who can match this, right? Let me come back here and add John to billing as well. And Sarah already has billing, and Jane can only do billing and French, right? So if I add John and if I use the same message here, you can see now it start picking John, and it'll cycle through John and Sarah. That is pretty much what we have to do inside Enforced Flow. I have started a new automation inside Zapier. We have 3 steps. One is the trigger, which is tied to the Google form. When a new response comes in to the Google form here, it will trigger this Zapier automation, and we are going to get the next agent from Enforced Flow and then finally email the agent. Okay, so the trigger is pretty simple. App is Google Forms, new form response, and I have connected my account, and the form is contact sales, and I have done a test with the same question that I used inside Enforced Flow to test, which is I want to cancel my subscription with my email. And I'm going to click continue with selected. And the next step is Enforced Flow. You just need to search for Enforced Flow if you don't see Enforced Flow in your listing, and it'll give you the option here. And for the action, select Get Next Agent Advanced Round Robin. And I have my account connected. And then from the groups, we need to pick the new group we created, Google Form AI Select Demo. And when you do that, it'll give the field for the 2 AI Select fields we set up. And all we have to do is we just need to pass the message from that Google form, and essentially the same message for both of these fields, because we are using the same content to detect both the language and the department. And then when I click continue, and if I were to do a test here, it should give either John or Sarah. So you can see it gave John this time. That looks good. I'm going to click continue. And for the final step, I have selected email by Zapier, and the action is send outbound email. And for the to field, I am going to use the agent's email. And this agent email is coming from that information field we set up earlier. So at the end, this agent going to get the email, whoever get picked from the second step. And I am passing the name, the email of the customer, and the message, which are coming from this form. And that's pretty much it. So whenever someone fills out this Google form, it'll go to Enforced Flow. Enforced Flow will pick the agent based on the criteria we have set up, and then finally the agent will get the email, the leads information. Hope it is clear and straightforward. As mentioned in the beginning, we have prepared a detailed guide available in our docs portal, and I will share the link under description. Thanks for watching.